people are saying, oh, my hair feels so fresh and clean and blah, blah, blah. But I don't think it's really clean until you actually go in and wash after that. Because that's not how I use my scalp scrubs. I don't know about you. But anyway.
I just wanna be free. Finally, finally. I wanna be free. Finally, finally. I wanna be free. Finally, finally.
Welcome back, Roses. This is Olena, otherwise known as OlenaRosanne. Today we're going to be reviewing the Never Salty Sugar-Based Scalp Scrub from TPH by Taraji. So far, this is interesting packaging.
Now, it does have the two nozzles here, and according to what I was looking at, the product that was coming out of both sides of the nozzles, or both nozzles, looked exactly the same to me. There's no difference in color or anything like that.
I definitely feel the sugar granules in it, but it's not uncomfortably abrasive or anything like that.
So, my hair is, well, at this point, it's damp. According to this, pull to remove cap, apply duo touch applicator directly to scalp and roots after sectioning wet hair. Move fingertips in circular motions to deeply massage in. Repeat in each section and rinse well. Should I go in and wash it after that? Should I condition after that? What can I use it before? I did look at some of the reviews on the website. I didn't look at any on YouTube. But a lot of people were saying, oh, my hair feels so fresh and clean and blah, blah, blah. But I don't think it's really clean until you actually go in and wash after that. Because that's not how I use my scalp scrubs. I don't know about you. But anyway, I know she has a whole line out. And this is particularly out of the scalp care line. But there's a lot of new naturals that need to know this is not just going to clean my hair by itself. I mean, if you want to use it that way, great, but it's not suggested. So anyway, I do like the title of this, Never Salty. I mean, it's Taraji. That would be something she would say. So it does say this is a sugar-based scalp and hair scrub. This is a cruelty-free, color-safe, and vegan product. Love that. And it does not have any parabens in it at all, according to the website. And the website I'm looking at is tphbytaraji.com. Per the website, this runs about $13.99 as it lifts dead skin cells and buildup from scalp to help to promote hair growth, and it's great for all hair textures. My hair is very, very, very dirty, and my scalp is very, 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 very dirty. Full of flakes. May not be able to see it. But let me tell you, oh my gosh, it is, yeah. See that dry patch right there? Yeah, it's nothing nice. So my hair is already parted here. Yes, let's go ahead and go in. Oh, there's a little slant to the nozzles. So it just tells you, kind of tells you which way to lay it. It does say this dual touch applicator provides direct to scalp cleansing action, scrub to balm exfoliant that stimulates, detoxes, cleanses scalp and hair. I would say if you're heavy handed or squeeze happy, take your time and squeeze it really, really soft, or too much product will come out. It only takes a little bit. So let's just do that right here. You see how it looks? So circular motions, and I feel the sugar granules. And as I rub, it is turning into a balm-like texture with granules in it. Okay, and I feel the peppermint. Y'all love some peppermint. If you see my previous scalp scrub videos, you know I love some peppermint in my scalp scrubs. Now the wonderful thing about this scalp scrub is while I'm doing this, you're massaging your scalp, working it in. You are bringing more blood flow to your scalp, so that's an added plus as well. Ooh-wee. Yeah, I have to be really careful. I'm squeezing a little bit too hard and too much product is coming out in a section. It's not messy. The only thing that's going to fall down is maybe some sugar crystals, but it stays in place. It's almost easier for me to squeeze it right onto my fingers and then run it through my scalp just like I would some grease. But so far, so good. So far, I like it. I am a huge fan of scalp scrubs. I have to shout out my oldest son's girlfriend. She's the one who got this for me as a present, so I appreciate that. So I have this section done for the most part. Let me get some more of that. Yeah, y'all. I need this scalp scrub in my life. Okay, so you got a good idea of what happens here when you use the scalp scrub. I'm gonna go ahead and go through the rest of my head and wash it out and show you guys what my hair and my scalp looks like once that's done. It definitely is refreshing. It really is. That's that peppermint oil. Okay, let's go wash it out. Okay, I am done. Do I like it? Do I think this packaging is necessary? Nah, it's not. Do I think it's worth $13.99? No. I think the whole instructions in the back should have been better. It can be confusing. And again, it's not just seasoned naturals using this, it's also brand new naturals. My scalp feels wonderful, as scalp scrubs always make my scalp feel. Is my hair clean? No. I still have some residue in it. That's why I started applying it to my fingers and then rubbing it through, so I can just break down the section by tiny section. If you only use this, you're not really breaking down your sections that much. Using your fingers, you can really get in there and place it everywhere you need it. But yeah, I still have residue in my hair, so you definitely need to go in and wash this later. And it also can depend on how much, scalp buildup or dandruff you have in your hair, and I had quite a bit, so that could be the other thing. So it can go either way. Oh, the other thing I wanted to mention, the amount of peppermint oil in here is not overbearing. It feels good, but it's not like a super duper tingle. In case you like super duper tingling like I do, it's not to that level, but there's enough where there is a tingle, and it's a nice relaxing tingle. So just so you know, keep that in mind. If you are a beginner with scalp scrubs and you want to try something with peppermint in it, try it. That's how much I have left, so I've used half that container. I'll probably use the next half my next wash day. That's what I think. Let me know, have you used the Never Salty sugar-based scalp scrub from TPH by Taraji? Do you use scalp scrubs? Other than that, roses, make sure you subscribe, hit the notification bell, share this with someone who's thinking about getting this particular scalp scrub, do that, and I will talk to you later, roses. Bye.